What's up, guys? It's Steven from GarciaGarage. Here we are installing my new wing. It's a PP1 wing. I just think it looks a lot better than the stock trash that they give you. Give me this thing right here. That's what it came with it. Take it off was pretty easy. Actually, it was just, was it 1, 2, 4 bolts on each thing. Do it by popping off this, and then these are where the bolts are at. So it's pretty easy. You pop off this thing right here and get access to the bolts there. Now all I have to do is remove all this adhesive. So that's gonna be fun. So you guys can enjoy there and sit there and watch me struggle taking off all of this adhesive. There goes the other wing. So enjoy. Alrighty guys, so I finally got all of the adhesive off. It's a pain in the butt. I used this little Goo Gone thing right here. It came with a scraper, but I would, if I were to ever do this again, I will probably use an eraser wheel. It comes out so much easier. But it came out, it's all clean, the surface is all clean now, and I already 3M taped this side, so all we got to do is throw it on. Let's do it, see if I can do this by myself. I think I can. So, boom, boom, boom. Damn. Yep, there you go. And it's in. And now, let's remove all this crap off the wing. That was the old one. It did not look as good, in my opinion. And let's pop her up and install the nuts back again. One, two, up. This one is the more difficult side. The sides are more difficult. You don't want to drop the nut inside there, because that's already happened to me. I had to fish that thing out. There's another one that fell right here. So all we need to do is, once I get these nuts in here, I'll tighten them up and alrighty. So all the nuts are in there. Now we can tighten them up. Alrighty, let's see how she looks. Alright. Yeah, that looks 10 times better. Gotta clean it off with the flush deck plate. That sounds real good. I cut myself. I don't know how the hell that happened. Yeah, it looks good. Gotta clean her up. And we'll see how she looks in the sunlight. Alrighty, well, she's all cleaned up for as good as she's gonna get right now. Let's pull her out in the sun. See how she looks. See how she looks. Let's pull it out. There she goes. Hopefully she doesn't fly off on the highway. I think she looks good. Yeah, I think she looks good. It's windy, sorry for the wind noise. Guess we're waiting for a hurricane. Alright. So overall, this is the stock wing compared to the one over there. Overall, the stock wing wasn't bad, but that PP1 wing is just awesome. So overall, I spent $220 on that. It was the same color as my car. It was awesome. And makes the car look so much more aggressive. Next video, I'm going to be installing the mufflers, and I'm going to do a resonator delete. So look forward to that. Alrighty, see you later.